All right, what's going on YouTube? So today we're gonna go over the truth about Forex number 12, I believe. Just giving you guys an update. I haven't did a truth about Forex on an update of my business for quite some time now. There's been a lot going on. The fourth quarter has definitely been a challenge. If you're in the business, if you're handling any type of business, especially any type of network marketing business, the fourth quarter could definitely be tough because a lot of people lose track, lose focus. A lot of people log in with their family stuff. A lot of people, they just kind of get off track with finances. Me personally, I try to make the fourth quarter my strongest quarter so I can come into the first quarter on fire. But, you know, you can't say the same for everybody in your team. So just to be honest, like a lot of people fell off the business. Like if you are in IML or in any type of network marketing, you know how to go. Like fourth quarter, people lose track, you know, so that's what's been happening. But it's not really a big deal because in this business, people come in floods and sometimes they leave in floods, but that's just the name of the game. You can't let that kind of knock you off your path on what you're doing and what you want to get accomplished with your business. But just with, you know, revamping what we're doing, getting ready for the new year, just recalculation. It's a time of recalculation as far as the trading business goes. So as far as my people, I got my core group that are still solid. You know, my leadership is still intact. Everybody's still focused on above me as far as like rank goes. So my mentorship and all my leaders, like I said, we just revamping everything for 2021 to come out strong. But the crazy part about it is when the top of the year start, everybody's gonna start flooding back in. Like everybody's gonna have new goals. Quarantine is about to hit again. A lot of places is locked down, so people are gonna be looking for income from home again. So that whole flood of people is gonna come right back. My trading has been going much better. I'm getting my strategies down packed. My discipline is finally getting to where it needs to be. I got a chance to come to Houston. I'm actually in Houston right now to link with my team. So I connected with a couple of leaders in my team, and they've been helping me a lot with my trading and just collaborating and having a good time. Just actually meeting my team. Believe it or not, I haven't met any of my team in real life because I've been in Korea and I've been in Kansas and I've been in the military. So I literally have not seen my team until now. So it feels good to be able to really connect with them in real life and, you know, continue to build these bonds and continue to build these relationships. One great thing that I'm noticing about this business that's going to help people be successful, and if you're on a team, I definitely want you to take heed to this, but the connection with your team has to be solid. It can't be just a business connection. Like this is a family thing. Like we're going on a deeper financial journey. So if you don't have like super deep connections with the people on your team, when things get rough, they're gonna leave. That's just the reality of it. The thing that's gonna keep people locked in is those deeper relationships. So if you are building, if you're in network marketing, if you're in IML, doing your trading, doing your e-commerce or anything like that, if you're looking to preserve your people, you gotta really build real connections and bring real value, not just IML value, not just I'm gonna show you how to trade value, but real life value. And if you're not bringing real life value, people gonna get on. Like it's just that simple. The next cool opportunity or next money making opportunity is gonna be out of here, and it's just that simple. I love the fact that my mentor is doing a lot of team building events. Like we went ice skating yesterday. We're doing an ugly sweater party today. We've been going out to dinner and eating, having fun. She did a lot for me for my birthday, which is crazy because I wasn't expecting that. But what it's making me realize is like, once again, like my slogan is deeper than Forex, you know, and if you're not building deeper connections, unfortunately, like I said, when the next cool thing, the next trading academy, the next money making opportunity come by, they're going to be out of there, you know. So the lesson that I'm learning right now is just the true bond of what you need to bring, what you need to build with your community and with your team. And that's what's going to keep everybody locked in the long run. Another good tidbit, another update that I want to give you guys. I want to make you guys aware that Forex, as far as trading and also as far as building your team and getting the residual, should not be your only income. Because what I'm noticing is this is a lot of people's only income or major income. So when we come in the fourth quarter or come across times where we have a pullback in the business and people start to fall off in your income shifts, or if you blow an account or you make some risky trades and you really wasn't on your P's and Q's and now you take a hit, you out of the game. And the name of the game is to stay in the game. So when those situations come up, you just have to be prepared and know that you got to have multiple incomes. I don't really know too many people that strictly live off of their trading income in the beginning. Now, once you become a great trader and once you run up accounts and compound accounts, you definitely can do that. But I'm in my first year. So I'm speaking like the people 1 year or less. If you are new to the business and you here for 1 year and you got $100 and you looking to flip it and make all the money in the world, the reality of it is in most cases it don't happen like that. With this money, this is money that you can continue to build. I kind of treat it like a high interest savings account. So with a high interest savings account, you're not going to get rich in a year. That's just the reality of it. You're not going to get rich in a year. Can you build that and compound and grow it and get rich eventually? Absolutely. Get wealthy eventually? Absolutely. But this is not a get rich quick scheme. You know what I'm saying? To where you can just run it up and be good forever, So just make sure you have some other sources of income. If you're still working, cool, work your job and trade. Work your job and trade and build both. Because if something happens with your trading or something happens with your building and a couple people fall off your team and you're not getting the residual income anymore, I don't want it to like completely hurt you and break you down to the point where you're falling off the business. This is a retention game, not a recruitment game. I learned that from my mentorship. We can get a bunch of people, but how many people can we keep? If we get 1,000 people and we lose 999, what was the point of doing all that work? If we get 10 people and keep 9, then that's the win. So I'm all about just retention and teaching my team about retention and just letting everybody know, like I said, we need deeper connections. We need multiple sources of income. And feel free to plug your team with other hustles or other avenues of income. Like IML is cool, trading is dope, and building is dope, e-commerce is dope, and it's all gonna make money. But if you got some other hustles or something else that you got that's working, feel free to put your team on other things as well. Because like we're building with real estate, we're building with credit repair, we're building with YouTube. My mentorship is showing me how to monetize and how to get viral content, like make more videos like this, how to tag my videos to get more engagement. So it's just about building as a mogul, not just building as a trader, not just building as a network marketing, building as a human, building as a mogul, and running and building your empire. And these are going to be the things that's going to help out the most in the fourth quarter when things get tough, So that's my truth about Forex. Just give you guys an update. Like I said, we had to pull back, but I'm confident my team is going to recover and I'm gonna hit P5,000 very soon. I'm not worried about trading. I'm getting better at trading every day, and my discipline is getting better and better every day, so that's no biggie. And just wanted to give you guys an update. January, we're gonna come out strong, and this 1 year mark is basically my year mark. Within like the last 10 days, it'll be about my year mark, late December, late December, I believe. And it's been a great journey. A lot of things have changed in my life. The self-development part of this iMarket's life has definitely helped me out tremendously. And even if you look at the difference between my YouTube, like this is my first solid year on YouTube. Just check out the videos, the quality, the content, the views. Like everything is leveling up. My income is leveling up. I feel like I know 2021 is going to be my first six-figure year. And everything's solid, man. I'm enjoying this whole wave. So just giving you guys an update, the truth about Forex. This is my journey with iMarkets Live. This is my journey with trading and building and network marketing, just giving you guys a viewpoint and insight on how this stuff works and how it's going. So I appreciate you guys that have been tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Whatever videos you want me to go over, feel free to, drop them in the comments. Let me know, and I'll go ahead and review it. So on that note, I appreciate you guys, and everybody have a blessed day.